Hello techies, this is lab 13.3.7 lab and we're going to configure a VPN connection. So you have been asked to add a VPN connection to one of your organization's laptop computers. The sales team uses the computer to deliver sales presentation. They need to establish a secure connection to the company network while working on the road. You need to choose a VPN type that operates using firewall ports that are commonly left open. You also need to use this most secure password-based authentication possible without using a smart card. So in this lab, your task is to configure and establish a VPN connection on Office 2 laptop using the following information. You're going to add a VPN connection as follows: a VPN provider, Windows, built-in, then connection name is going to be sales VPN. Okay, so let's see what we still have here. I think we still have some other information under here. Okay, so the server name or address is 198.10.20.12. So let's start up right away. We go to start menu. We go to start menu and then we want to open this network and internet, and we're going to add a VPN. And it's going to be set to Windows built-in, and the connection name is going to be sales VPN, and the server name or address is going to be 198.10.20.12. So we scroll down and the VPN type is going to be set to secure socket tunneling, and the username, which is optional by the way, are we giving anyone? Okay, let's see, scroll down. Okay, so the username is going to be Mary S49. Mary S49, and the password is going to be smart72#. So for the smart, the A there is going to be @ so I guess that is all we need to do here. Uncheck this and let's see what we'll have. Don't allow Windows to remember authentication credential. Okay, so that's why we unchecked that. And then let's see what else we have. Okay, so we'll go ahead and save this. And let's check our answers and see how we're doing. So we're making progress. So we've completed the task. So let's go ahead and work on the remaining. So we keep on working. Let's see the details. Authenticated. All right. So go ahead and keep working. And go to network and internet. Scroll down and go to advanced network settings. Then you scroll down to more network and settings. Then when you get to more network and settings, you want to go to the sales VPN that was just created, and you go over to the properties, and let's go to the security and use a extendable authentication protocol. Then here you want to select Microsoft Secure Password EAP and click OK. So we'll close this for now, and we'll go ahead and check our answers and see if we're making progress. Yeah, we're making progress. So we keep working because we still have one more task. So let's see. We'll go over here and we'll go over here, and user. So for the sign in, we're going to use the username we just created, Mary S49, and the password that was given. So go ahead and click OK. Okay, so let's go ahead and see how we do, and everything is correct. So if you found this video to be helpful, like and subscribe to the channel, and if you need further assistance on how to solve any of the TestOut lab, consider joining my professional membership so that you get insider speak on how to solve any lab at all, or reach me through my email. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.